Alright guys, this is my son's little YCF 88, little 4-speed semi-automatic pit bike made by YCF. Has pretty decent suspension on it. It seemed to hold up pretty well so far. We have broken off the front fender once or twice. Not a big deal. The plastic is a little brittle, but it's been sitting for a while, and the carburetor, well, it's not there right now because I'm already cleaning it, but the carburetor kind of got gummed up with the good old ethanol fuel. So, charging up the battery now, cleaning the carb, and once I get it back on there, I'll check back in with you guys and show you how it runs. Pulled it out and cleaned it off with compressed air. You can still see some of the buildup down in the float noodle seat. So we're going to let this thing cook a little longer. Alright, I ran it in the ultrasonic cleaner a little bit longer, and I ended up using one of the bristles off of this old wire brush, and basically slid the jet down on there to clean out the jet. So now it goes all the way through the hole. Before it wouldn't, but you do have to be careful not to use something that is larger than the jet originally is, because it could make the hole too big. Alright, I'm going to start reassembling the carb. Once I get it reassembled and put back on the bike, I'll try to get a video of it firing up. Alright, got the carb back on it, fuel line hooked up. Keys on, choke is set, good to go. You got a runner. Get all the plastics back on it.